Good morning, students. Today's thought is stay safe, stay at home. Now, our next exercise 13.2 we will start. Exercise 13.2 question number 1. In which of the following figures are angle AOB and angle AOC adjacent angles? Give reason for your answer. In this question, 4 figures are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, draw the first figure in your notebook. In this figure, angle AOB, this angle AOB, and angle AOC, this angle AOC. Angle AOB and angle AOC are not adjacent angles because in these two angles arm AO because the common arm AO is not between the two other arms. AO is not between the two other arms. So these two angles are not adjacent angles. Now we will take second figure. In this figure, angle AOB, this angle AOB, and angle AOC, this angle AOC, are not adjacent angles because the common arm AO is not between these other two arms. Now we will take the third figure. In this figure, angle AOB and angle AOC, these two angles, angle AOB and angle AOC, this angle. These two angles are adjacent angles because the common arm AO is the common arm, is between the two adjacent angles. This arm is in between the two adjacent angle, or the common arm is between the two other arms. OA is between the two other arms. Now we will take the next figure, that is fourth figure. Angle AOB, this angle is AOB, and angle AOC, this straight angle, are not adjacent angles because common arm AO, because AO in both angle, common arm is not lie between the other two arms. Now question number 2, see in your book. In the given figure, find x. First of all, draw the figure in your notebook, and here is the figure AOB and BOC. There are two angles and straight line AC is given. Now solution is angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. These two are making line, so it is linear pair. Angle is 180 degree. Now we will put the value angle AOB. Angle AOB value is x plus 25 degree. Put here. In place of AOB, x plus 25 degree plus in place of BOC, 3x plus 15 degree equal 180 degree. Both values are given, so put in the equation. Now we have to add like terms. X plus 3x equal to 4x plus 25 plus 15 equal to 40 degree equal 180 degree. Now take this 40 on right hand side, it become minus 40. 4x equal to 140 degree. Then 4x equal to 140 degree and x is equal to, it become division 4. In table of 35 we can cut 140 degree Answer is x is equal to 35 degree answer. Now we will do second part. First of all, draw the figure from the book and listen carefully. Here one thing is missing in your book. This symbol is not given. Please put this symbol. This symbol meaning is 90 degree. It is not given in your book. So you have to correct it. Put a symbol that is 90 degree. Now we will start. Angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 90 degree given. This symbol is given. Its meaning is 90 degree. Now put the values. AOB angle and BOC angle, both values are given. You have to put 2x plus 5 plus 4x plus 25 is equal to 90 degree. Add the same terms. 2x and 4x is equal to 6x. 5 degree, 25 degree, 30 degree equal to 90 degree. 6x is equal to 90 degree minus 30 degree. 6x is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to, it become denominator, cut these to 10 degree. So x is equal to 10 degree. Now next question is question number 3. Find the y in the given figure. Figure is given. You have to find the value of y. First of all, draw the figure on your notebook and start solution. Here are 3 angles, 1, 2, 3, and making a straight line AC. We will take all the angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree because straight line angles. Now put the value. First angle value y plus 150 minus y plus this y is equal to 180 degree. These 3 values are given. Now minus y plus y become 0. Y plus 150 is equal to 180 degree and y is equal to 180 minus 150 degree. On right hand side it become minus. Y is equal to 30 degree answer. Now we will do next part, question number 3. First of all, draw the figure from your book. Now start solution. Solution is angle AOB, first angle AOB, angle BOD, second angle BOD, DOC, third angle DOC is equal to 90 degree. This symbol is given, its meaning is 90 degree. Now there are 3 angles and their values are given. AOB value is y plus this value is 30 plus 2y plus this value is 40 minus y and equal to 90 degree. Now we will add the same terms. This y is minus, this y is plus, cancel these 2y and become now 2y plus 70 degree, 30 plus 40, 70 degree equal to 90 degree. 2y is equal to 90 degree minus 70 degree. 2y is equal to 20 degree. Minus that it become 20 degree. And y equal to 20 by 2. Cut it, become 10 degree. Y equal 10 degree answer. Now homework is revise question 1, question 2, question 3 of exercise 13.2. Thank you.